we are working on this Mercedes ML320. And basically what we have is, that's all we get. Nothing. Alright, let's take a look under the bonnet. So here we have the fuse box, and what I have figured out so far is put the ignition on and jump that's relay 12, it says circuit 15, and now we have dash lights. And she runs, but we've got no power windows, no aircon, no blinkers. Keep digging. So, new development. I had the ignition on, I had the relay in, I just moved this module and everything took off. Let's get that module out. We have a bad connection for some reason. So we have a lot of dry solder joints here. So they're basically cracked and lifting away from the board, causing a bad connection. So I am going to remelt all of those solder joints along the back of that top plug and put it back together. We are all back together. Let's give it a test. There we go. Aircon's working. Windows are going down. We got more to do, but that is a wrap for today. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, all them good things, and we'll see you in the next one.